Miguel walks into a park at a steady pace. At the entrance he throws a ball straight ahead, and it stops at a tree. His dog Luna immediately sprints from the entrance to the ball, then turns around and brings it back to Miguel, who keeps walking forward the whole time. Luna runs 5 times as fast as Miguel walks. By the time Luna brings the ball back to Miguel, what fraction of the distance between the entrance and the tree has Miguel covered? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's set the entrance at 0 and the tree at distance d. Say Miguel walks at speed v. So Luna runs at 5 versus phase 1. Luna runs out to the tree, a distance d, at speed 5v. That takes time d over 5v. In that same time Miguel walks v times that, which is d over 5. So Miguel is 1/5 of the way. Phase 2. Luna turns around and heads back. The gap between them is d minus d over 5, which is 4/5 d. They move toward each other, closing at 5v plus v, which is 6v. So the time is 4/5 d over 6v, equal to 2d over 15v. In that time Miguel walks another 2d over 15. Adding the two parts, d over 5 is 3d over 15, plus 2d over 15, gives 5d over 15, which is d over 3. So Miguel has covered 1/3 of the distance to the tree. The answer is 1/3.